Hey, found a new trail to go to up by my new job. Where are we on here? We gotta be like right here. There's a few trails here. Oh, it's the same map. Okay. Yeah, it was all nice and sunny out when I left Stafford. Got out here, if I can cloud it right up. Of course. Ain't got shit for light out here though. Yeah, another gloomy ass fucking winter here. Today is what, November 10th? It's a week after my birthday. Some nice dead trees. Coming out some kind of construction site here or something. Okay, so that kicks you over to the park. Scenic view. Ooh, look. Little bench. We just changed the clocks back last week, so by the time I'm getting out of work, the sun is setting. Where the fuck does this trail go? We lost the trail. Yeah, the fucker just ended. Hold on, let me check this fucking map. Whoa! Hawk right over in that tree. There's two fucking hawks in that tree. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. There's two fucking hawks over in that tree. Oh! Alright, I got one left. And one hawk flew away. I got one left over there. Like a hawk or a falcon or something, actually. Some owls. This right here would be our best bet. Possibly. No, over there is probably our best bet. Fuck. How to do this without spooking that bird. Yeah, like I ever figured that out. And I still can't get to him. Hey, a basketball. Where the fuck did that get out here? Basketball. All kinds of balls out here. What's up with that? We'll find a way through. Can't go that way. Motherfucker. Nature is just blocking me. That bird blocking me, nature. Alright, this area sucks. Let's try it this way. Oh, there's another little fucking sparrow right there in that tree. Two of them, motherfuckers. Ooh, I like that dead tree right there. It's awesome. God damn it, fucking nature. You're fucking with me today, really. Jesus Christ. Nothing but thorny motherfuckers around here. Was it I have got to find a way over into that other field over there. Oh fucking yeah, look at this. There's the tree with the falcon or hawk, whatever it is. And here comes the other one flying back in right now. Oh, where are they going? They both flew away. Cocksuckers. As soon as they got over here, they both fucking flew away. God damn it. I do love that tree right there. It's a nice tree for fucking catching birds in. There's a lot of birds around here too. This is some thick ass grass. God damn it. Two fucking hawks in one fucking tree. And I fucking missed them. Fuck is my problem? There we go. There's a nice log for sitting on too. Oh yeah. Big open motherfucking field. What is up with this? Kind of like this spot. I didn't know this was out here. Here's that tree. Oh, at this open field. This is crazy. Absolutely freaking crazy. There's the hawk. Oh yeah, he did. The hawk is in the fucking tree. Oh man, these exposures are dark. Pump up the ISO here. This shit up to about 400. You hear him screeching? There he is over there. This must be his fucking hunting grounds or something. Hear that hawk screeching? I think he's pissed at me. Holy fuck. My whole foot just got submerged. You hear it crunching underneath me. It must be like fucking ice. Yeah, we are fucking getting into some serious shit here. We're gonna have some soaked ass shoes for tomorrow. I think we're going about as far as we're going. Getting tougher walking. It's turning into water underneath. We gotta get back over to that tree line over there. Oh, there's the hawk. You coming back to his tree? Oh, back to your tree, fucker. This is what I'm up to right now. Totally not fun. Shit wears you down quick. Just gonna sit here for a few minutes, see what shows up. We're almost halfway through November. We've still got a lot of birds out here. Oh, look what that just landed in the fucking tree up there. That looks like a fucking... Oh, it is a blue jay. Ducks. There is a fucking ton of fucking birds out here. I can't believe this. Shit, I think I've already seen more birds here in November than I did at my favorite spot back in freaking like September and August. You know what else this spot would be really awesome for? Is fucking time-lapse sunsets. Get all kinds of dead trees I could stick in there. Alright, heading back out to the main trail. You probably cut right through here to get to the fucker too, huh? Easy walking, easy walking. Right is back to the parking lot. And left. Oh, there's the trail over there, okay. I was gonna say, this looks like a fucking driveway, but there's the trail. There's the driveway. There's the trail. I'm wondering if this trail is gonna take me down to the back side of the swampy field over here. Just circling back. Or are we just going this way? You must have heard him that time. I thought I said something about scenic view. I haven't seen it yet. I just don't look like it goes too far. This is just like a little... Whoa! Holy treasure, Batman. Wow. Couple of cacklers. Where's my trees? Oh, they're way the hell down there now. It's pretty wet through here. Yeah, both feet are soaked. This is sweet. This is basically like the back side of this field. We actually made it out here. I mean, we're not at the very, very end yet, but we're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Swamp hot dogs. A little overcooked now, but holy cow. This fucking thing just keeps going. Look at this. be a good time-lapse spot here. Hell yeah. Alright, well, I pretty much saw everything. I'll head back to the car now. I think the only thing I'll have to do is circle around that one little pond, which we'll do that on the way back here. You lose a shoe in that shit. Back on private property. Battery's about to die in this thing. We'll be finishing just in time. Oh, hope this fucker don't collapse. Green. Yeah, so that's about it. Pretty much head back up the trail this way, and we're gonna be back at the car in probably about 10 minutes. We've seen everything. Definitely coming back out here. I definitely like this trail. It's pretty freaking sweet. I love that field over there, holy cow. Now that I know there's trail just to walk down to the backside if you need to get down there. Problem is, if I come out here in the morning, I'm gonna be shooting into the sun. So right now the sun's over here. Morning, soon sun's gonna be back there, so that kind of sucks. We'll see what happens, I guess. I'll have to come out here some morning before work when it's nice. I think it's supposed to be snowing this week too. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, tell me I suck, give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next vlog. Later.